Hi everyone! Welcome to our food vlog, and today we'll be cooking a spicy ginger glazed baked mahi-mahi fish recipe. Let's start! So now we have our fish fillet, seasoned with salt and pepper. And now we'll prepare our marinade. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Then whisk it till all the ingredients are combined. Then put it in a pan. Pour the marinade sauce, making sure the fish is well soaked. After 20 minutes, take the marinated fish from the fridge and check the evenness of the marinade. Bake for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And presto! You now have your homemade spicy ginger glazed baked mahi-mahi fish with spring onions, lemons, and chopped fresh parsley. Enjoy! Look at that! Well cooked and juicy! Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for Jabagab Food Trips next video. Thanks guys!